meMiner. I am at an old abandoned silver mine. Joining me today is Shelby and Gabby. The bugs are horrible, so I had to put some bug spray on them just to keep the black flies away. Seems to be effective. Here's a silver that cleaned up nicely. That's just rinsed. But you can certainly see the plate of silver on there. You like? I like it a lot. You can see, I'll zoom in. Yeah. I just washed off this rock. It's actually loaded with silver. You can see a bit of vein right here, up in here, and then the knobby sticking out. I go to the other side. You can see the silver is all through the center of this rock. That's a good one, I think. Let's put this bad boy into a glass container with some white vinegar. Vinegar is acidic. It'll especially affect calcite, but I'm hoping it also shines up the silver. The solution immediately went cloudy. I can't even see what's going on in there. But it is bubbling, so it is working. See how it looks tomorrow after being in there all night. So this is the next day. Let's take a look and see if we've improved. Well, you can tell that's silver now for sure. I wondered if the crack was going to open. It hasn't. I think it looks way better. What do you think? I'm tempted to bend it and pop that, but I'm going to leave it just as is. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.